Venus orbits closer to the Sun than Earth. From your moving platform, this creates a hard geometric constraint. Venus can never wander far from the Sun in your sky. Since Venus travels a tighter inner track, the angle between Venus and the Sun, as seen from Earth, maxes out at about 47 degrees. That is why Venus appears only low in the west after sunset or low in the east before sunrise, never high overhead at midnight. The orbital geometry physically forbids it. Ancient civilizations noticed and called Venus the evening star or the morning star. Many believed these were two entirely separate objects. Now for the prediction that breaks the tie between models. If Venus orbits the Sun as Copernicus proposed, then from Earth you would see different fractions of its sunlit half depending on where Venus sits in its orbit. Far away, on the opposite side of the Sun, you would see its fully illuminated face, a small bright disk. Close up, passing between Earth and the Sun, you would see mostly the dark side, a large, thin crescent. Venus would display a complete cycle of phases, exactly like the Moon. But if Venus orbits Earth as Ptolemy required, it would always sit roughly between Earth and the Sun on its epicycle. You would only ever see crescents, never half-lit, never gibbous, never full. In late 1610, Galileo Galilei aimed his telescope at Venus and watched over weeks and months. Venus displayed a full set of phases, thin crescent when close and large, nearly full when far and small. This was physically impossible in Ptolemy's model. It was precisely what the moving platform geometry predicted. Not a theoretical argument, not philosophical reasoning, a measurement visible through the eyepiece that matched one model and flatly contradicted the other. Two phenomena that look completely unrelated, retrograde motion and Venus's phases, collapse into consequences of the same geometric truth. You are on a moving platform, and what you see depends entirely on where you are relative to what you are watching. Our full video on this is now live. Link in the description below.